Game na. Uy, game na. Ay, sorry.
Ay, wait lang. Happy 18th birthday, Laika! Mag-message ka na.
Ikaw na muna. Ikaw matanda eh.
Ikaw na muna.
Sige na.
Hindi ko pa alam sasabihin ko eh.
Kahit
Sige
ano
na.
lang.
Kahit ano na lang. O sige. Happy 18th birthday. I hope that all your birthday dreams and wishes come true. Not just a year older, but a year better. And a joy that never ends.
Happy 18th birthday. 18 is not just the start of adulthood. It is the start of the wonderful adventures that you will have.
She looks
Intro
so
pa lang.
funny.
Wala naman eh.
But that is a research.
Tama! Nag-send niyo sa akin.
Research lang yung message na yun.
Bilib kayo, no?
Bilib kayo, no? Ang galing
pero
namin.
ito, seryoso
English.
na talaga.
That's
Seryoso
so
na.
English. No.
Okay.
But kidding aside, hello Kambal. I know that almost everyone from the family call us Kambal before. Kasi they say na magkamukha daw kaming dalawa. And maybe some of you may say na parang hindi naman. Well, hindi na nga. Kasi mas maganda na ako sa kanya ngayon. So, well, gusto ko lang sabihin na this is your party. So, I hope you enjoy your party tonight. Happy birthday. More birthdays to celebrate. Sana you live your life to the fullest din. Kagaya ng mga sinasabi ng marami. And, ayun, I love you. Happy birthday.
Okay. Be, happy 18th birthday. More birthdays to come. Ayun, dalaga ka na. Parang dati lang, naihi ka pa sa kama.
Yun.
Diba? Oh, hindi kita binubuking ha. Sinasabi ko lang yung totoo. Okay. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa party mo. Stay what you are cause you are such a very inspiring person.
Yeah.
Tapos mag-aral ka ng mabuti kasi ito lang yung tanging regalong maibibigay mo sa magulang mo. Pag nakagraduate ka, sila ang pinakamasayang tao sa lahat. At syempre, huwag mong kakalimutan si God. Sa lahat ng bagay na ginagawa mo, lagi mo siyang isipin sa una para matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo.
Yes.
Again, happy 18th birthday.
18th birthday. We love you.
Love you.
And
Miss you all.
yeah, hi to my mom there. I love you. And I would like to thank my cousin as well, Queenie, for helping us doing this video. She will just say happy birthday as well.
Happy birthday.
Alright. Bye. Love
Bye.
you.
Love you all. Miss you all.